Hi, my name is Kevin Allen, and I am the Senior PR Manager for Razer USA. We're here at the booth at CES 2020, and behind me we have the Razer Tomahawk gaming desktop. This is a really great innovation that Razer's done in collaboration with Intel, who brought us this wonderful Intel NUC9 Extreme Compute element, combined with your greatest graphics card, the RTX 2080 from NVIDIA, and it becomes an advanced modular PC that is built with an aluminum chassis. A simple drawer back behind requires no tools to open and close, and in 30 seconds or less, you can install your Intel NUC9 element and your graphics card 2080 for a full gaming desktop with an i9 processor. Razer will be selling this in two configurations. One configuration will be the naked chassis, which is the Razer Tomahawk N1, and the other will come with the Intel NUC9 element and a graphics card as a full gaming desktop. We will be selling it with multiple configurations, including the i7 or the i9 Intel NUC element, and then multiple options for graphics card as well. One thing that's so special about this unit is inside here you have the CPU, the M.2 hard drive, the RAM, all in one small package that is a PCI Express card. Ports-wise, embedded in this port you have 4 USB-As, 2 Ethernet ports, 1 HDMI, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and 1 audio port. On the board itself, you have 2 PCI lanes, and then when you close the unit up, in 10 liters of space, again, a full gaming desktop. There are 2 fans on the upper part of the chassis, which has perforations on the top, a fan on the power supply, which is an industry standard SFX power supply, 2 fans on the graphics card, and 1 fan on the NUC itself. Razer will be selling this configuration as a full gaming desktop starting in June of 2020, and pricing is yet to be set, but we're looking at prices of the Razer Blade Advanced models and upwards from there. The major advantage of having this setup is that you can upgrade your PC at a later time when the new graphics card comes out or when a new Intel NUC9 element comes out with very little intrusion in your build. Okay, so it's very simple build quality, and this fits under your desk, on your desk, or you could even transport it to a local gaming tournament and really impress some people. So Razer is here at the booth showcasing the new Tomahawk gaming desktop, which we are looking forward to bringing to the market in the first half of 2020.